In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Pocket FM on your PC. But before we begin, there's one important thing to know. Pocket FM does not currently have a dedicated desktop application for both Windows or Mac OS. But don't worry, the good news is that you can use the Pocket FM website directly from your computer. And it provides essentially the same core experience you get when accessing Pocket FM through a browser. So the first thing that you need to do is launch your preferred web browser on your Windows PC or Mac. You can use browsers such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, head over to the official Pocket FM website, and from here you can access Pocket FM directly without needing to install a separate desktop application. Once the website loads, look for the option to log in or create an account. So you can sign in using your credentials, and if you don't have an account, this is a perfect opportunity for you to create one. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Pocket FM web interface. The layout may look slightly different from the mobile app, but the basic experience is very similar. You can browse available stories, explore different categories, search for specific titles, and select a story that you want to listen to. Simply click on a title to open its details and start exploring the available episodes. Once you've found a story, select an episode. The web player allows you to listen directly from your computer, so you don't need to download a separate Pocket FM program. You can use your computer speakers or maybe connect headphones for a more private listening experience, which is convenient if you are working at your desk and want to keep Pocket FM playing in the background. Now, depending on the features available on the web version, you can also access your Pocket FM account and manage your listening experience from your browser. If you don't want to repeatedly type the Pocket FM website address every time you want to listen, you can create a shortcut to the website. Since you're accessing Pocket FM through a web browser, the basic process is practically the same on both platforms. Okay? The main difference is simply the browser you are using if you're using, let's say, a Windows PC or Mac. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can use Pocket FM on a Windows PC or Mac. While there isn't a dedicated Pocket FM desktop application, the website gives you a convenient way to access the service from your computer without installing a traditional desktop app. So if you prefer listening to your favorite stories on a larger screen while working or relaxing at your desk, simply open the Pocket FM website in your browser and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.